everybody, I'm back again on another deal chase. I'm just finna go to Walgreens real quick. Let's see. I don't know if the air is blowing on the mic, but I'm finna go to Walgreens real quick. They got some items on clearance that I really want to get. In the vitamin section, I guess they clearancing a lot of that stuff off. And they have it's like the essential sprays, you know, like mint, like lavender. They got the rose water toner is what I really want, because rose water is a little bit expensive. And I had bought some from Trader Joe's that I really like. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I could grab some of those. They're supposed to be like 69 cents. And I guess this stuff is like 90% off, because I seen some that was like 69 cents. I think the regular price is like $6 something, $6.99 maybe. Some was like $1 and something. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna go to my Walgreens. It's not that far from my house, a couple of minutes, 2-3 minutes. So I'm gonna go up there real quick and see if I can find some. As y'all see, we did not go to Slime Fest. So that is what it is. So yeah, when I get in here, I'll come back and let y'all see what exactly I'm talking about. All right. Okay. Oh man, gone. Shoot. Try these. We gonna see. Sold out. I guess this deal been going on for a while, because I just seen it. I just found it, and as you see, they're all gone. Bummer. Let's see. Let me see. Man, a lot of stuff over here already gone. Dang. That's it, just those two. And I'm gonna get a price check on it, just to see. Let's go over here to the clearance area, because sometimes when stuff is not where it's supposed to be, sometimes it be in the clearance area. This is all on clearance. Nothing. This was a somewhat fail. Okay, y'all, these rung up 69 cents. So if you go to your store and you happen to see these in the vitamin aisle, like closest to where the pharmacy is, these are on clearance, and I'm thinking like 90% off. Like I said, these were 69 cents. This isn't actually the one I wanted. This is peppermint. I'm really looking for the rose water. So I'm gonna go to a different Walgreens just to see if they have it. If not, I'm at the other Walgreens, and we're gonna see. We're gonna see what they have. Hopefully they have some, so I don't have to go to another Walgreens. Jeez. Something I'm trying not to do, but here we go. Yes. Dang. But this is all they have. Okay, so we're gonna get those. I think those are the ones. These should be the drops should be $1.69. Whereas the spray is $69. And I'm assuming the lip balm will be $69 as well. Mosquitoes don't like lavender, so if you happen to find that, get them, because mosquitoes hate lavender, and I think peppermint as well. I just hope they're on clearance here, because you know all Walgreens is different. So, dang, I just wish I could find that rose water. They might have something in the clearance area. Also, let's look at other things that's on clearance, because you never know what you might be passing up looking for one deal, and it could be another deal in the store. So, yeah. Nope. Also, if you do class action lawsuits, these have a class action lawsuit on them. You could go to Top Class Action Lawsuit, I think that's the website, and fill out the form for that and get some free money. They don't have anything back here. If you at Walgreens, check coffee. I don't know if y'all drink coffee or not, but look at the price. Clearly, I missed it. Yep, I missed it, and I've been looking, but I never came to this store, so oh well on that. Also, they have, let's go to the paper products. They also had napkins on clearance. Okay, they had napkins on clearance, not tissue. Let's see. They have it? They don't have it. Fudge. But they have a lot of stuff. Look at all this stuff. It's not 90%, but it's still pretty cheap. Yeah, but we're looking for like the 90% deals. They don't have it. Dang, wish they did. Also, if you have a pet, they got some of this stuff. But they're out. Okay, all of that stuff was on clearance. So, like I said, if you go to the store, if you go to Walgreens and it's not marked, it is on clearance. I just went to 2 different stores and they both rang up. The oil rung up $1.60. No, I think it rung up either $1.39 or $1.69 for the oil. Now for the spray is ringing up 69 cents. The stuff that I thought was lip balm is actually like a roller ball. It's oil and it's a roller ball. This stuff, it's not lip balm. It's actually a roller ball where you just put it on your pulse points just to help you to just relax and stay calm through the day. These are essential oils, and we all know essential oils is very expensive. Also, what you could use this essential oil for, if you have one of those what is it called, the candle wax melting thing, you could put your essential oil in there. That works really good. Also, if you do the rice water for your hair, you could use your essential oil for that as well. Another thing with the roller ball, you could pop that ball out and you could just use it regular if need be, if that's what you want to do. As far as the spray, you know, you can always use the spray anywhere. Spray around your house or wherever. And like I said, mosquitoes, from what I read, mosquitoes don't like lavender and they don't like mint. So we got a gang of mosquitoes around our property, our house. So yeah, I'm gonna go to another one. I'm gonna go to my last Walgreens. I really want that rose water and I cannot find it. Hopefully it's at this one. If I can't find it at this one, oh well. I mean, I could hit up like 3 more Walgreens because it's all like a little circle. But I don't want to go on the other street because it'd be so much traffic over there. So I'm finna try this last store. Hopefully this store will be a jackpot, but we'll see. All right, it's a bus. Nothing. Bummer. Nope. It's a bus. Sold out. Completely out. Another vlog. As you see, we got the whole family again. We on our way to Costco's, right? Yeah. Remember what I told you? I was trying to make sure my life was safe. Damon, why are you doing that?
I can't see in the sun.
Should have brought your sunglasses. That's why we bought them. Yummy.
No. Ice cream.
Yummy.
Dang, you gonna go straight to my thighs?
No, on the pizza. You enjoy Costco's food?
Huh?
What's your favorite?
My favorite will probably be cheese pizza.
The cheese pizza.
And the ice cream.
Do you like Sam's pizza better or Costco's?
Well, I like both.
Really? I think Costco pizza is better. Which one do you like? Sam's or Costco?
Costco.
I pick Costco too. Yum, yum.
I can't even get the strawberry. There you go.
Ah! Yummy.
That's how I try to get the strawberry for the whole
Okay, Sam's pizza or Costco?
Oh, okay.
Which one you like better?
I think Sam's give you more.
That ain't even the question.
Sam's.
You like Sam's because you get more.
Yeah. Why wouldn't you?
I went to another Walgreens and I actually found the tea tree, which was a good deal, with 69 cents, which is a good deal. Regular price was $6.99. Like I said, at the Walgreens, these items is on a 90% deal. Yeah, they got a lot of 90% items at Walgreens, so you just got to look around. Because when I went in there, of course, my phone wouldn't work and I couldn't bring up the deals. So, yeah, this was the last item. I still haven't found that rose water yet. I don't know.
Where you going?
I'm probably not going to find it. Hi, everybody. This is... Sorry, y'all. Y'all know I'm just sitting on the dashboard. Sorry. This is the next day. Yesterday, we went to Costco. It didn't really do nothing. So today, this thing is sliding everywhere. So today, I'm on my way to the Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale. It normally happens every January and every June. Yes, the Bath and Body Works, Victoria's Secret, Whiteborn, if you have that. They do an annual sale twice a year in June and January. Every 6 months they do a sale. So I'm going, hopefully they didn't open early, but I got a funny feeling they did. What I'm just going to get is some 3-wick candles. I want to get any of the candles that has the campfire, or baby it's cold outside, or campfire donut. I gotta hold the camera, y'all. Any of those candles, those are the only candles I'm looking for, and they're supposed to be 75% off, so they might be like $4 or $5. So those the candles that I'm getting. I'm not getting anything else. No. I don't really. I don't want any of the lotions, the hand wash. I don't want none of that stuff. I just want those candles, and hopefully I can find them. I have my coupon, my 10 off of 40 coupon. So hopefully I can find the stuff that I'm looking for. So I'll come back once I get over there because it's gonna take me a little minute to get there. Made it. And they opened early, which sucks. Hi, do y'all have any 75% candles?
No, not right now. Everything's 50%.
Bummer. What about, do y'all have any of the campfire?
Campfire donut candle?
Yeah. Or just regular, the regular fireside?
I do not believe we have any faucets.
Hey, y'all usually have like 75% ones. What time did y'all open this morning?
9 o'clock.
Oh, wow. So it's like really just have to go through them?
Okay, thank you. Yeah, we didn't have any faucets.
Okay. I'll just look around.
Okay.
How much are these little small ones? I know these are just the try ones.
I think these are ringing up $3.
Because the 50% ones is the $12.95, right?
Correct.
Okay. Okay, yeah. So I got up for nothing. They don't even have any 75% candles. I'll probably just go to a different one. Bummer. Because that's the only candle I actually want. I don't want anything else. And then everything is 50%. This is really pretty. Look at that.
These are not even ringing up on sale right now. These are ringing up regular price, which is $10.
Oh, wow. Okay, thank you. Look at that packaging. That is so cute. Bummer. I gotta go to a different one. Shuck it. But I'm gonna go to this side real quick. Yeah, I don't really want nothing else, but I'm gonna look at this 75% rack. Okay. Looks like this is the only 75%. Looks like everything else is basically 50%. I don't really have too much of 75%. I'm just gonna go to a different one. I'm gonna go to a different one. Yeah. Man, it sucks. Woke up super early and they don't even have the candle I'm looking for. Ugh. She said no 75% ones. So, maybe I should get me an iced coffee. No, I'm leaving. Because actually I'm parked in a spot I'm not supposed to be parked at. I'm parked in like the 15-minute area. So, I'm just gonna leave.